Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition replacement power steering pump that fits the 2005 to 2008 Honda Pilot, as well as the 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey, and the 2007 to 2013 Acura MDX. So let's take a look at this part here. So the power steering pump actually mounts to the motor, and there's a pulley that goes on here that actually connects to a belt that goes ahead and turns and allows the pump to build pressure, which steers the vehicle. So you can see here, there's this rubber cap on here, and this is protecting the threads here. When you go to put the pump in, you're going to take the actual pulley from the factory pump, and you're going to install the pulley on this pump. If you look over here, you'll see there's a plug here, as well as a cap here, and you want to leave these on until you install the pump. This will avoid any sort of dirt or debris from getting inside of the pump. And then from there, once you install the pump on the vehicle, okay, you're going to want to fill up the power steering reservoir, and you're going to want to turn the wheel of the vehicle all the way to the right and then all the way to the left about 10 times or so before starting the vehicle. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow the pump to get fluid into it before you start the vehicle. Then once you do that, you'll fill the reservoir up again, and you'll start the vehicle, and you'll turn the wheel to the right 5 times, to the left 5 times, and you'll want to fill the reservoir up, and you'll want to continue to do that same procedure until the steering feels tight and any sort of bubbles are no longer coming through the reservoir. That's how you know the system's bled. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help.